Alright, part 10. Let's do the shop. Where am I? I'm in shop state. So, what do I have for the shop? If I press shop, it's just a black screen because there's nothing in here. I need the player though. I need to pass on the player here. So I can do stuff like add seeds, add upgrades. So I need like a menu grid thing. How's that gonna work? The screen is 400 by 250. So if I split it up into 4 parts, that's gonna be 100 each, but then 3 parts this way is gonna be about 83. Oh, let's just call it 80. So about 100 width and 80 height. So 100 here, 80 here, boom. 100 here, 80, 100 here, 80, and 180. Boom. So something like that. So yeah, I can buy here. All right, let's work on that. So wait, I need structures though. I need an image for each of these. Do I just do one 2D array of images for these and then like an array for the text over here? Probably. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Pixel, I'm gonna use that for the selected, whichever item you have selected at the moment, or highlighted. And then I need a texture region of the crops. So crops is equal to, where is farm tiles, right? Texture, texture, text is equal to res.i.get texture farm tiles, and crops is going to be equal to new texture region, this is going to be 4 by 2. So crops row 1 column 1 is going to be the potato, so that's going to be well, the image is actually in seed type already. Oh, sweet. There you go. I just need to do this for all 8 crops. So this is all row 1, column 2, 3. These are all 1s. 3, 2, 1, 2. There you go. So potato, make sure they're all in the right order. Potato, what was next? Corn, tomato, then wheat, then cabbage, orange, grapes, cherry. Cabbage, orange, grapes, cherries. There you go. So row 0. Row is less than crops.length, row plus plus for and column is 0. Column is less than, crops 0.length, column plus plus. Then we can render sb.draw crops row column at position. Ooh. These are going to be 100 by 100 each. So this is going to be 100 times I. And this is, the Y is going to be 80 times I. Oh, not I mean column and row. Don't forget sb.set projection matrix cam.combined. Oh my god. Eclipse, you're killing me. sb.begin and sb.end. Let's see if that even works. It's probably going to be in the bottom left corner-ish. Shop. Nope. Out of bounds exception over here. 0, 2. How's that out of bounds? Oh, rows and columns. 2 rows, 4 columns. My bad. There you go. Shop. They're all seeds. Oh, crap. These aren't image. These are dot image to dot crop image. There you go. Let's try now. Shop. They're down here though, and they're really, really dark. What the hell? sb.set color dot white. No tint. There you go. They're all at the bottom though, so that's really annoying. So I'm gonna move them. Y is gonna be the height minus this, I hope. Okay. Vars dot height. Oh, I don't need vars dot height. I can just do 80 times instead of row. This is going to be it's 3 minus row. Let's try that. Cool, that works. But now I need to offset them a little bit by 20. And this by 20. Let's try 20 for both. No, this needs to be minus 20. Looks pretty centered. This needs to be plus 30 though. Cool. Alright, so now we need our highlight. Private int current row, private int current column. These are just going to both be a 0, so let's draw that. sb.set, it's already at white, so we don't want the white highlight, so we're going to do sb.draw pixel at current row or current column. Ooh, but I need this, so 80 times 3 minus this. That's the Y though. Oh crap. Wait, that's X. No. What am I doing? This is current column. This is 100 times. Oh my god. I'm not. Dude, I need to pay attention. 3 minus current row. And then that the width and height. So this is going to go horizontal. So this is going to be width of 100 and height of 1. Let's just see what that looks like. Okay, so obviously that's the bottom. Wait, is that even centered? $80. Let's do 2 here. That's awkward. 1. What's the height of this game? Holy crap, I thought it was 250. Where's Vars? It's 300. Oh. I thought it was 250. What the? Oh my god. Okay. So this is supposed to be 100. They're both 100. 100 times 100. It's perfect. 4 by 3. Man, suck at this game. Dude, I suck at programming. Here we go. Let's get rid of the offsets again. We'll do the offsets after we get the highlighting working. Okay, so this is definitely going to be 3 times current minus current. But then you can't see it from up there. So this is actually going to have to be 100 plus that. Let's do plus 20. Just, let's say, minus 20. And then, instead of this being 100, it should be 60 because that's minus 20 twice. Let's check it. Cool, 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 cool. Alright, let's copy and paste this 4 times. Well, I only need it 2 times right now. So I need this to be 2 minus current row. Oh, the Y is also a little off. 10, 100, 20, meh. So this has to be minus 20, plus 20. Oh, this is plus 20. This has to be plus 20. There you go. That makes more sense. Okay. And this next one, the horizontal lines, it's going to start off with this one. But it's going to be 1 width and 60 height instead. And this one is, okay. The same, but the current column is going to be plus 1 minus 20. So that should make a square. Okay, maybe not. The 2 horizontal things are 2 minus. Oh my god, what in the hell? Minus 20. This should be plus 20, not minus 20. There you go. Not perfect because 1 pixel is missing up here for some reason. But whatever. Looks good enough. Alright, so let's try changing this. If keys dot is just not keys input dot is key just pressed keys dot right. What the hell? Okay. What the hell? Keys that right? We're gonna do current row plus plus, not row column, I mean. If no, only do this if current column is less than 4. I'll just hard code everything because I'm not going to change the amount of crops. And here, press left. And we'll do column minus minus only if it's greater than 0. And this is up and down. And here we're going to go up only. Oh crap. Wait. Uh-oh. Where's my potatoes? Oh, that works. Oh, that doesn't work. Less than 3. Where's my potatoes? 2 minus row. There's my potatoes. Alright, whatever. I thought there was going to be a huge issue. Current row is 0, greater than 0. Minus minus. I don't know if up is the right one. If I'm mixing up and down, because I never remember the y up or down thing. Here, less than 3, or row plus plus. Let's just see. Oh wait, not 3, 2. Shop. Cool, cool, cool. Now I can start the offset for the thingies. So this is going to be current column plus, these are supposed to be 50. Or I can just do current column plus 0.5. But that's gonna be an asshole. 1.5. Actually, let's just do it. Get rid of the 20. Minus. Oh wait, those are the. Oh man. Those are the. Oh my god, I was about to mess with the circles or the highlight. I was supposed to do it over here. This is plus 50, but minus 32 divided by 2. So this is plus 24. This is also plus 24. Still not centered. It can't be plus 50 because it's 100 by 100 centered, but each of the crops is 32 by 32. So I want to subtract 16. Oh, not 24, 34. I can't do math. There you go. Now it's centered. Nice. All right. Let's see. Those are good. And down, that's a square at the bottom. We're gonna do, for an I is 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus. We're just going to write down in text because we're so awesome. Why am I saying we again? Res.I.font font.draw SB string. Can't use a for loop. I don't know what the strings are. String. Actually, I can use, but then they're going to be all capitalized. Nah. Alright, so the first one is going to be tilling. XY is going to be 100. I'll just hard code all these. Tilling and watering and seeding and harvesting. 100, 200, 300. No, this should be 30. And this should be 130, 230, and then 330. At 100 though, this probably should be like 50 or something. Right. Obviously can't fit in there. So I might have to use a smaller font. Alright, whatever. Let's use a smaller font here. Font, small, size 6. Geez, the other one's small enough. It's 8. I don't even know if font small is going to work with any fonts. 6. Have you ever seen fonts in size 6? Alright, let's check that out. Oh, still looks decently readable. Alright, cool. Let's see. Tilling, watering, seeding, harvesting. Alright, so let's These are going to be 25. Yeah, 25 is good. Yeah, we can even make it 20, but whatever. 25, 125, 25, 25. Tilling, watering, seeding, harvesting is... let's just call it harvest, not harvesting. Just so we can fit it in there. Tilling is 1 pixel to the right, watering 2 pixels to the left, seeding 1 pixel to the right, harvest 1 pixel to the right. Alright, so this is going to be 26, this is 23, 26, 26. So much hard coding. Good, good, good. Okay. And they all should be, they're all there. Alright, so next we're going to do font.draw again, but this time we're going to be drawing upgrade because I don't really know what the hell, it just says tilling and whatnot. 26, but instead of 50, these are going to be 70. Or not 70, that's too much. Let's make it 60 since they're really small font. What does that look like? Upgrade tilling. That looks pretty good. Alright, let's just draw that for everything. So 26, this is 123, 226. Actually, it's centered, so 126, everything. 226, 326. Cool. Upgrade tilling, upgrade watering, upgrade seeding, upgrade harvest. That's good. That's good. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Alright, so now we need to be able to select these things. So need instructions probably. So we're gonna do font.draw. We're gonna use the regular font. Font small for that. Oh my god, what? For reals? Small and regular font. There you go. And we're going to use the regular font to draw. Instructions. Enter to buy. Escape to return to game. I'm not returning any seeds, bruh. And I'm going to put this probably just down at the bottom. So 10, 10. Okay, make it higher, 20, and make this further, 40, and 30. Cool, enter to buy, escape to return to game. Okay, so when I press escape, I should go back to the game. Let's see here. If gdx.input.key just pressed, keys.escape. Then just gsm.pop, get rid of this. Escape. Oosh. Let's see if it runs. 3, 4, 5. Shop. Let's wait a little bit. Then it should still be at the beginning of 6. And yep. 7, 8, 9. Cool. Now we need to buy this stuff. So if we don't press escape, if we press enter instead, enter, then we have to buy. And man, I have no idea because I don't have anything set, so I'm just gonna have to check the row and column by themselves. So let's see if this is current row 0 and current column 0. This is what I get for not planning out. Then I want player dot buy seed, seed dot type dot potato. You do that for all 12. Look at how awesome that is. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, I counted it out perfectly. Nice. These are column row 1, row 1, row 1, row 1, row 2, row 2, row 2, row 2. Alright, so potato, then what do you call it? Potato, what's the next? Corn. Tomato. Wheat. Wheaty. Cabbage. Orange. Grape. And cherries. And here, I'm not buying any more seeds. Player.upgrade. Player.action. Action.tilling. Level? What does that mean? Oh, I'm supposed to upgrade to a level? I don't know what level it is, so I don't need this. Just upgrade. Upgrade to the next level. Alright, int current level, I'll just calculate it here, equals action multipliers float action dot ordinal equals, oh wait, float speed is equal to action speed multiplier float action dot ordinal, and in current level is if speed is equal to 1, speed is equal to 0.5, else if speed is equal to 0.5, speed is equal to 0, then I will just replace. I don't care about the level. Is equal to speed. Boom. Hopefully that would work. Shop, upgrade, tilling. And here upgrade, upgrade, oh crap. Tilling, watering, seeding, harvest. Tilling, watering, seeding. Harvesting. There you go. But I'm not doing any checks here. When I do buy seed, I always check if the money is enough. But I don't do that for upgrades. I need to know that I have enough money. Let's see, level 1 upgrades should cost maybe... Level 1 upgrades... Speed equals 1. Okay. Int required money is equal to int required money. If speed is equal to 1, oh my god, let's just do it over here. If speed is equal to 1, required money is equal to 100. Else required money is equal to, that's really costly. Let's make it 50 because there's 4 skills. Let's make it 30. Yeah. And level 2 requires 70. If money is less than required money, or if money is greater than or equal to required money, what? Oh, else Else, I'm not buying anything. Record money. Have enough money. Alright. I hope that works. I need to test it. I need monies to test. Let's see. I have 0 money, so I can't buy any of that. Let's see. Upgrade telling. And it broke. Null pointer exception. Player is null? How's player null? I set it. Set it right up here. No, I didn't. There you go. Upgrade tilling. Hopefully it does nothing. And everything's level 3. Because I have it set to that, and I shouldn't. Get rid of these. Get rid of these. Level 1, everything. Go over here, buy this. Go back, nothing. Alright, now let's give me infinite monies. Money dot, int dot max value. Integer dot max value. Boom. Check out my money now. I'm rich, biatch. Alright, let's buy upgrade tilling. Level 2 tilling, nice. So let's see if it works. I'll till. Nice. Let's go into the shop, buy upgrade tilling again. Level 3. Let's see how fast I till. Boosh, 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 boosh. And let's buy the rest of them. 1 level for the other ones. 1, 1, 1. Cool. I should be able to show that I've successfully bought something. 2 as well. That's gonna be similar to the $ popping up when I unload all my crops into the truck. Oh man, this game's coming along. Oh snap. Let's buy everything. Upgrade, upgrade, upgrade. Oh man, look at that. Ooh. Shop. Can I buy seeds? Let's buy 1 potato seed. Nice. And hopefully when I plant this thing. Oh my god. So let's buy a bunch of seeds right now. Corn, tomato, wheat, cherry, grape, orange, cabbage, and just plop them all on here. On my lands. Alright. Now we'll just play the waiting game for now. How do I make my shop more user-friendly? Probably just show that I've actually bought the item or I didn't have enough money. How do I do that? Where's the... I'm supposed to be over here. I didn't even need this. Get rid of that. I don't want any yellows over here. Oh, all my plants are done. Cherries. Give me the cherry. Harvest this stuff. Oh, God. Make huge profit. Oh, I made so much profit. I went negative. Thanks, signed. Let's see. I'm also going to need to the winning state, but that's going to be another thing. Alright, so I can crop stuff. The game mechanics are they're coming along very well. That's going to be it for this video. Yeah, next stuff is all the little graphical nuances and stuff, whatever stuff. Thanks.